Hey there. Are you an affiliate marketer who's ready to take your sales to the next level? Have you been searching for proven strategies and expert guidance to boost your success? You're in the right place. The internet is filled with countless tools and tactics promising to skyrocket your affiliate sales, but most of them fall short. What if you had a proven roadmap for success and expert guidance every step of the way? That's exactly what you get with Affiliate Funnel Maps. Affiliate Funnel Maps provides you with 6 unique maps to boost your affiliate sales, crafted by a verified top 10% super affiliate. These aren't just ordinary maps. These are detailed guides that have been tested and proven to generate 2x, 3x, even 4x the sales. But we didn't stop there. For a limited time, we're offering a bonus masterclass taught by a fellow super affiliate. This masterclass reveals the funnel map strategies that consistently bring in leads and sales. Ready to maximize your affiliate sales with proven funnel maps and expert guidance? Click the link below to get started with Affiliate Funnel Maps and claim your bonus masterclass today. Click the link in the description below to lock in your bonus.